Ta-da, made it onto a gondola.
¡Te mando!
Hello and welcome to Venice. We're on the Rialto bridge in the middle at 8 AM when there's very few people here. We are staying in that hotel there, Hotel Rialto.
Traditionally Venetian, basic but perfect.
Why have you come to Venice?
Because I've always wanted to come here and you're taking me on holiday for a treat.
Yes, we come to Venice to celebrate our 12th wedding anniversary. 12?
Yes. Yes.
But it's September and our wedding anniversary is in June.
But this is a good time to come to Venice.
Yes, it is. Look, horse. Where have we been?
Been up the tower. Been inside the basilica. The mosaics are amazing. I've never seen anything like it. There's a few on the outside, but the ones inside are more beautiful.
But you're not allowed to take photos in there, and we're good boys and girls, aren't we?
Just outside.
Some knowledge bombs. I need some facts.
The Rialto is Venice's oldest district, an important financial centre in Europe, which was reflected in Shakespeare's Merchants of Venice. The Rialto Bridge divides the city into two, with the right bank on the San Marco side, this side, known as this side, and the left bank known as that side. So this new bridge was created in 1588 to 91 by Antonio da Ponte, following the collapse of the previous one.
That's it?
I think so. I don't. Yes. That's enough though. So it divides it into this side and that side.
There we go, it's this side and that side. Key is this side?
I think so.
Oh, okay.
When it says the bridge...
Rialto di quasi
Is this what you would call it?
No, it's
Is that old-fashioned?
fashion. Not fashion. Is here, qua, here.
Oh right, okay.
Is this?
Okay.
Here.
Okay. Thank you. This.
And in Italiano, but qua is
Qua.
here.
Okay. Di qua. Oh, there you go. Thank you. I've really noticed the mismatch of all the pillars, and I was reading that they were kind of stolen and plundered from other locations. And you can really see it today. They're all different colours and different sizes.
So to clarify, all those pillars are a mismatch because they're stolen from Greece. Is that right?
Yes, I think so.
They're stolen from Greece.
And other places. I'm sure it's probably mostly Greek.
Yeah, you should probably give them back now. A bit naughty.
I'll double check my facts in a minute.
Yeah, before we slanderously accuse Italians of stealing from the Greeks. Where have we come to? Doge's Palace?
Palazzo Ducale.
Palazzo Ducale. This is where they trial the criminals and then they send them across the side bridge.
This was where like government was.
The Venetian Houses of Parliament.
Yeah, where the city was run from.
It's a bit much.
Yeah, very opulent.
If anyone knows the meaning of the word opulent, please put it in the comment section below. bridge. By the way, we're on our hotel terrace. Small staircase that comes up there and takes you up to here to give you panoramic views of, where is it? There it is, Rialto Bridge. So we're very pleased with this hotel. But one thing we have noticed, when you go into any of the tourist attractions, should we call them?
Anything that is like a national monument stuff. They don't like you having any bags at all.
Yeah, no big bags. So like my bag, which is that big, is too big to take into St Mark's Basilica, Doge's Palace, and also
any museum.
So be warned, you will need to put it in a locker or check it in a cloakroom. That's not so bad.
But I loved I think you say Doge's Palace today. Just the grandeur of it all was amazing. Quite spectacular.
And also a top tip from me, if you want to erase all the other tourists from your photos, long exposure photography, absolute winner. So if you want your photos to look like this and like this, then all you need to do is stick an ND filter on the front and you have a long exposure photo and the tourist will be deleted.
Tomorrow we are going to go on a gondola.
You can't come to Venice and not go on a gondola, can you?
No, because we might not come back here again and then we'd regret never having done it.
Yeah.
In Venice. That's going to be cool. I'm looking forward to that.
It's going to be expensive, but it's going to be cool.
Yeah.
So Smail Tours highly recommends the Hotel Rialto. This hotel is perfectly situated on the Rialto Bridge, obviously. Pretty much Rialto Bridge and San Marco is like the main traffic for the touristy areas. So perhaps not the best hotel if you want to escape the touristy parts of Venice.
Or if you want luxury.
Well, this is luxury. Look, you've got a chandelier, love.
It's
really
traditional, but it's not luxurious.
fabric wall. Very traditional, and this is very cool. Look at this. If you go out here, canal view, you get what you pay for. So Smail Tours recommends the Hotel Rialto. Time for an ice cream.
At my favourite shop.
At your favourite shop, we're going to, was it
Suso or something.
Suso, Maria's favourite gelato.
Ice cream shop, which is a bit of a find in a very dark little alley. There's an amazing ice cream shop.
Do you feel somewhat underdressed?
So this is the dark alley with my favourite ice cream shop.
Oh, thank you. One thing me and Maria have found incredibly amusing is the amount of grumpy women after that Instagram banger.
It's ridiculous.
We've seen so many times basically these poor significant others going back and forth with these mobile phones or cameras and then being sent back down. No, not good enough.
And they're like,
take another one.
And the hair flicking.
Change the lens.
And the pushing
Send
the
up the
boobs.
drone. That's quite funny. How's the ice cream, Maria?
It was amazing.
It's good.
I had Snickers flavour.
You have what flavour?
Well, it tasted just like Snickers. It was chocolate and caramel and salted caramel and peanuts. And it was yummy.
Maria's also struggling with a cold and is gradually losing her voice. It's not stopping you, is it, love?
No.
Have you had a nice time?
It's amazing time. Really amazing.
Yes.